Hello students, I'm Dr. Manisha Budhiraja and here I am with a beautiful story for you. Now once the washerman found a very beautiful white shiny stone while he was washing his clothes, and he was very excited and he started using this stone for washing clothes. Now since he was in a financial crisis, he wondered how much he could get if he sold it. So he went to his friend and who was a vegetable seller and asked him how much it was worth. So the vegetable seller thought that yes, this would attract a lot of customers if he kept it on his stall. So he agreed to give him vegetables free for a month. But since this was not very exciting, the washerman took the stone to a nearby jeweler. And the nearby jeweler, the moment he saw the stone, his eyes lighted up. He said, "My God, where did you find this stone? This is the biggest diamond I have ever seen in my life and it is worth billions." So yes, you are this diamond, and unless and until you know your worth, unless and until you realize your potential, you waste this diamond in little things. You waste this diamond in scrubbing clothes. So how do you believe that you are this diamond? The moment you tell to yourself that I am the diamond, I have immense potential, I can achieve anything that I want to in this world, I can rattle the world, I can change the world, your mind tells you, come on, are you serious? You can change the world? Are you joking? Every night when you put the alarm for 6 o'clock in the morning and when the alarm rings, you snooze it. When you sit down to study and you tell yourself that I will not look at my phone for the next 3 hours, in another half an hour you have the phone in your hand. When your friend offers you a chocolate and you tell him that you are on a strict diet for 1 month, no sweets for 1 month, and in the next 5 minutes you have finished that chocolate. You cannot change yourself. You cannot achieve these little things, and you are going to change the world. You are going to achieve anything that you want to. So how do you start believing in yourself? Unless and until you believe in yourself, you cannot do anything. Yes, to believe in yourself, you have to show yourself that what you say, you mean it. What you tell, commit to yourself that I will do it, you actually do it. So now that there is hardly any time for your exams, only 3 months left, just you need to strategize what you need to finish in those 3 months. And for finishing that in 3 months, how much you need to finish in 1 month, and then in 1 week, and then in 1 day. So you need to know exactly what you need to do each day, what you need to do today, and whatever you have committed to yourself to finish today, you will have to finish it. If you feel that the time is less, maybe some things you can skip, maybe some things you can just do the MCQs, maybe some things you can just try to remember the important things, but whatever you have committed to finish today, you will have to finish today. Only then you will be able to finish what you need to finish in a week, in a month, and then 3 months. And as you go on fulfilling, as go on finishing what you have committed to yourself for that day, you start believing in yourself. Your belief in yourself starts growing day by day. And once you start believing in yourself, there is nothing that you can not achieve. And yes, it is then that you can achieve anything that you want to. You can rattle the world. You can change the world. So yes, start from today. Start realizing your potential from today. Start believing in yourself from today.